Hey there guys, hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you for clicking on the video. Today, I'm going to be going over some financial tips and hacks that you can do in your everyday life, no matter where you are in your financial journey, to go ahead and make things easier for this upcoming year, as well as any year in the future. So let's jump straight into it with starting off. Number one is going to be building goals. This is going to be for both short-term, medium-term, and long-term. It's very, very easy. You don't even need a paper and pen. You just basically have to think to yourself, where do I see myself in those timelines? So in 1 year, how much money do I want to have, or am I being out of debt? Like what is the status that you're looking to achieve within that year? And that's going to be your timeline as well as goal. And if you want to write this down and keep accountable, that's great. You can also do this for your medium length. So that could be 3 years, 5 years, somewhere along those lines, and then 10 years. You'll be very surprised what you can actually accomplish in a year if you stay diligent, as well as continue with these other tips. So starting off, number two is going to be trying a no-spend week. So a lot of people do a no-spend day, no-spend month, but I feel like a week is that great balance that you can actually commit and do. So with a little bit of preparation, such as buying groceries in advance and making sure that you don't have any upcoming events or crazy stuff going on. And if an event does pop up that you want to go to, sorry, if you're in that week, you're just not spending any money. You can take your cash, leave it at home, take your debit cards, credit cards, whatever you have, leave those at home, and basically do not spend money. You already should have everything that you need inside of your home, or have gas in your car, maybe have a jerry can in the garage, and that way you should be totally filled up and good for the week. And this way you can try to stay accountable and see how much you can actually save within that week without having any transactions go, could I do this again? Maybe I should do this once a month. And then from there, you could amount and actually have a great amount of savings just from this alone. Next up is going to be asking for a raise. This is a very obvious one if you're trying to make money and you already have employment, or if you're doing any side hustles. Maybe you are working for the side for somebody, you can ask for a raise from them, or you could start a side hustle now. And hopefully I'll have a video in the future about simple side hustle ideas you can implement today to go ahead and make money. So subscribe for that if you're interested whatsoever. Next up is going to be cutting costs. So if you have insurance, whether that be car or health, most likely if you're not working with an agent, you can find cheaper insurance. I highly suggest finding an agent that will get you the best rate and the best deal. I personally have a family member who is handling my car insurance, and I highly suggest it for everybody here. And it's going to be, besides for saving time as well, because they're going to find you the best rate automatically, just saving money. And that's what we're all looking to do, because saving money is making money. Next up is going to be setting up a budget. If you don't have one already, now is the time to start one. This is so you can keep track and accountable of your money. It's simply for you to know exactly where every dollar is going. A budget, a lot of people see as restraining. It's not letting me spend the money I want to spend. But actually a budget is what gives you the margin to spend. If you set $200 aside for shopping and know that you still have money going into savings, then you should be fine. So as long as your budget allows for the things that you want to do and you keep to those numbers, you'll actually enjoy having a budget and staying organized with that as well. So hopefully you enjoyed these 5 tips, and I'm glad to have made this video. If you learned anything at all that was helpful, please do consider subscribing. It greatly helps me out, as well as comment any questions you have down below. And don't forget, please, to hit the like button just to help out with the algorithm. Really appreciate it, and hope to see you in the next one. Thanks.